Do not ride in the rain. Hello, this is the Mi electric scooter.
Yeah, it is. We made this.
We sure did, and it wasn't that hard at all. So we're gonna rewind to the past and show you exactly how we did it.
This is I think our control center here. It's like tools and
directions.
The
Okay.
instructions are right here. Well, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be.
All right, huzzah!
Strike the box.
Striking the box. Is it hilarious that you hand me instructions and I'm like, oh, we're playing Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes? Okay, great. Because my whole life is video games. I don't do things IRL. Got all of our manuals. Cool. There is supposed to be a quick start guide. So yeah, we're missing the hexagon wrench and the 4 screws as of right now.
I'm just gonna keep ripping cardboard pieces apart until we...
0 screws right here.
No.
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 No, this is a moisture packet.
Aha! Aha! It was hidden.
Okay,
They're
great.
being sneaky. Grab that.
Oh, you're holding the scooter?
Yeah. Take that piece. I mean, between the two of us, we make one functional adult, which is pretty cool.
Fasten the handlebar stem on the headset and put the kickstand down. So.
Oh, there's a kickstand. That makes this way easier.
Straighten this thingy and then put down the kickstand. That's what it looks like.
Oh, that's adorable.
There we go. Okay. So, yeah, now we need to attach the handlebar. And the gray one is going to twist in. So turn it this way.
Very good.
Okay.
So I'm
Awesome.
assuming
Then we tighten the screws onto both sides of the stem with the hexagon wrench.
Look at how easy. Yes, you too can get your own electric scooter up and running in minutes. Are we gonna try this guy? We're gonna give him a shot?
That was some great riding, Juan.
That was fun. It was really. This is a lot more fun than it has any right to be. So I was enjoying my time on the scooter.
Don't lie, you're a professional scootersman, aren't you?
Yes, totally. You'll see me on the pro circuit next season, riding for a company that I can't disclose just yet.
Okay, that's what I thought. But no, seriously, it was pretty intuitive for someone who's new to scooter life.
Yeah, I mean, you do want to get that handle on just like getting the kick started before you turn on the motor, but then after that, it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy.
Very cool. Well, guys, if the Mi electric scooter could possibly be in your future, check it out now on newegg.com.
Yeah, now cut to a scene of me riding off into the sunset.